There is a trap that almost every teacher I know falls into when they go to teach a course, and I was no different. So when I created my first teacher training, I made what I call the great mistake. So this is how it happens. I wanted to tell the students everything that I knew. So I tried to take what was in my brain and just give it to them. I thought if I just told them and showed them everything that I knew, that they would get it. Right? I was so well intentioned. But the training actually didn't turn out so well. The great mistake is thinking that a training is about what information the teacher is giving the student. But it's not. Education is about teaching the student to do something differently. It's not about what you can tell them. It's about what they can do that counts. Although this is a simple concept, this is huge. It turns our focus away from being on us, the experts, back to the students. Now, when you start thinking this way about your lessons and what you want to teach, it actually might change the material that you present. And you're going to start to see that if the focus is about what the students can do, you're going to need to put in lots of practice times so that they can actually practice doing it. So, with that in mind, keeping in mind what the student can do rather than just what we know, let's turn our attention to learning objectives.